Hey y'all, it's been a long time since I got behind this camera, but y'all know how life be. Y'all already know life be busy, okay? Especially with my baby now. She'll be a year old. So y'all gonna see this video. Today is July 17th. She'll be a year old July 21st. So her birthday party is this weekend. So I've been busy with that, but I'm like, let me just pick up the camera today because she's not here, so I got like a little free time. So that's what I'm about to do, just pick up the camera. I literally just don't really have, I really honestly don't have much to do at all. I did get my eyebrows done and my lashes done, so I'm gonna just put on some, I don't know about y'all, but when I do, like when I get my lashes done or something like that, put lashes on, I gotta have the bottom lashes too. So I'm gonna just put some mascara on. I'm using some YSL mascara, by the way. And then we're gonna just get this video started. Like I said, I don't really have much planned at all to do today. It has been super rainy, but yeah, y'all, life has just been pretty good. Life has definitely been pretty good, especially since that last video. I think the last video I talked about kind of like what I had been going through postpartum and stuff like that, and I can say that I'm starting to feel better postpartum wise. It's been obviously a year since I've had Nyla now, but y'all know postpartum can last up to 2 years, they say nowadays. But everything else has been pretty good. I'm just super happy to just be feeling okay. So I'm gonna just put on a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and then we're gonna just go from there. So like I said, for this video, I'm gonna just straighten up downstairs and I'm gonna show y'all. So her birthday party is gonna be a strawberry short, I guess you could say strawberry shortcake or strawberry theme, like berry first birthday. So it's gonna be like strawberry and stuff. Now so I'm gonna just unbox the rest of the decorations for that, and then so yeah, that's gonna be her theme. So like I said, by the time y'all see this, y'all will see this the same day I'm recording. So her birthday party will be Sunday. So comment down below, happy birthday Nyla. And her name is spelled N-I-Y-L-A. Like so many people been spelling her name so many different ways. I ain't gonna lie, like people been spelling her name all wrong since she was born, but I feel like I probably should start correcting people. Like, that's not how you spell her name. It's N-I-Y-L-A. But at the same time, I don't want to be rude to people, but then I also do know that sometimes the keyboard be making a mistake too. So yeah, so just comment down below, happy birthday Nyla. Of course she won't be able to see it, but I'll be able to see it. So I'm just going in with some one size on till done. Honestly, I don't know why I'm doing all that. I'm literally just walking around the house, but it is what it is. But so yeah, so her birthday is this weekend. Y'all, I've been going crazy on TikTok shop. I don't know if I even showed y'all my updated closet. Let me show y'all. So this is my closet. Honestly, me personally, I feel like I need more clothes. Like, this is the only like short sleeve shirts I have for the most part, and I have some down there. But honestly, y'all, need to go through that and get all that together. That is crazy. But this is like my closet. I love it, love it, love it. My purses are up there. So I don't know if I even gave y'all a finished tour of my room, to be honest. I don't even know. This is my pink bed from TikTok shop. I love it, love it, love it so much. It's super, super cute. Hey y'all, literally, like I was saying, with TikTok shop, I've been going crazy on TikTok shop. TikTok shop has been I've been loving TikTok shop. Like at first, when TikTok shop first came out, I hated it because I was like, why am I promoting other people's products and I'm only making $1? But then now, if you get 1,000 people to shop, that's $1,000 for you. So I like TikTok shop now. I'm trying to become a TikTok shop star creator. I will be at that status pretty soon, for sure, for sure. I'm manifesting that at least by the end of the year, for sure. Y'all already know that my office space is divided between being an office for me and then a nursery, not nursery, but my baby room too. So I got her stuff on this side and then my business stuff on the other side. But y'all, I do have another idea when it comes to like my business, my like this room. So basically, let me get y'all straight. So basically, I have a clothes rack coming, and all of my TikTok shop clothes. Let me show y'all. This is everything I got from TikTok shop in the last I probably would say week or so. All these clothes, ooh, All these clothes, y'all, are TikTok shop clothes. So I said once I get like my little clothing rack, I can just hang all of my TikTok shop stuff up in one space. So that way when I am filming TikTok shop videos or whatever the case is, I can just pull from the, from the clothes that's on the rack, instead of me going through my closet trying to figure out what's from TikTok shop and what's not from TikTok shop. I get what I'm trying to say? So I want all like my TikTok shop clothes to be in one space, because that's kind of like my little niche I want to go into for TikTok shop, is kind of like clothes finds and stuff like that. So we'll see. Y'all, my baby, she got toys all on the floor. So we'll see. I kind of want to do clothes for TikTok shop, and I want to do kind of like beauty stuff. Honestly, some of everything been selling on TikTok shop when it comes to me, but I do want to get like my little clothing rack. It should be coming in the mail within the next couple days. So let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that. So let me know in the comments if y'all want to see me put the clothing rack up. But I'm about to flip y'all around and show y'all my thought process. So basically, so right now, let me show y'all. Right now, this is what I got. So I got all this. Well, I got the space right here. That I got my desk, and then I got all this space right here. So my thinking is to move down my business all the way to the wall, and then set the clothes rack up right here, so that way I can be filming. Or should I put the clothes rack against the wall and I can film right here against the wall? I think I'm gonna do right here against the wall, that way the light from the window can come in. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Let me know what y'all think. I think I'm gonna push everything down and kind of film right here. I feel like the resolution just changed on this. I don't know. So I don't know why it's so close to me now, but we're gonna just go with it. So yeah, so that's that. And then of course I still have my desk, or my computer, where it's gonna be right here in front of the window. And then I'm going to get Nyla her own. She needs to get her a toy box, so she's gonna get a toy box for that size. So I'm excited. I do have some updates coming for this room, so of course I'm gonna film that as well. We're gonna go downstairs. Honestly, y'all, it's been raining. It's been raining all day today, to be honest. So it's been very, very gloomy. Let me see if my TikTok video uploaded. Let me turn this light on. It's been very gloomy today. Y'all still on 69%. I ain't gonna lie. My internet at this new place has been terrible. Like, I am not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know what it is, but the internet here has been bad. But the man was telling me, oh, that's because you are by a lot of trees, blah, blah, blah. But I don't want to hear that. Like, I literally don't want to hear that. Like, why is the internet so bad? Like, yeah. And then I have a Wi-Fi extender and everything else, and the internet is still bad. Like, make it make sense. So, my TikToks and stuff, y'all, it be taking forever to upload now. So, even though I still be, getting my content put out, it just still take forever. It just takes forever for it to load, and I do not like that. So I'm just gathering up this garbage. Oh, let me show y'all everything I got for Nyla. Oh, let me actually, I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the stuff I got for Nyla's birthday party. I remember I told y'all it's like a strawberry theme. So let me show y'all the rest of that. These are just her little goodie bags. So each goodie bag comes with candy, like a little toy ball, some stickers, stuff like that. So this is about 60 candy bags for the kids. Again, she has her little card box, cups, and then I did get some stuff. She's going to open this up on her actual birthday, but I probably got to put some batteries in it. I did get some other stuff from Amazon today, so let's open that up together. This is the rest of her stuff from Amazon. Okay, so this is her cake topper. It says Berry first birthday. So it's like berry, like with the B. Oh, it's so pretty, so cute. Okay, so that's that. And then that's her cake topper. She has a 2-tier cake. I cannot wait to show y'all. But I don't know. I might, honestly, I'm not going to vlog it for YouTube because I don't put Nyla on social media, so I'm not gonna put other people's kids on social media. But, What's this? Oh, okay. It's okay. I know. But I probably will do like a little mini vlog for TikTok. So make sure y'all follow my TikTok if anything. So then I'm going to keep this little bag. So then I got this little shirt. So she's going to wear this shirt on her doctor's appointment. So it just says very first birthday. So she has a doctor's appointment a couple days after her birthday. Now that I look at it, it's like 12 to 18 months. It's a little small, I feel like. But we'll see. So she's going to wear this after her doctor's appointment. At her doctor's appointment. And then we're going to go over to Build-A-Bear because they say Build-A-Bear, you can get your baby's bear for $1 on their first birthday. So that's what we're going to do for that. And then, of course, these are just some cake plates and stuff like that. So I'm going to open it up and show y'all. It's still wrapped up in plastic. It just says very first birthday as well. This will be just serve the cake on. They got bigger ones and small ones. So, of course, the kids will get the small plates and then the adults will get the big plates. I just honestly, the place that we're having her party at provides everything. But y'all know me. I'm just a little bit extra. I want to kind of at least have some stuff that's on theme. Because, you know, of course, everything that they're providing is all like, you know, glass plates and stuff like that. Like, I want some cute little birthday themed stuff. And then last but not least, this is going to be her second birthday dress. So, I didn't show y'all her first birthday dress. Y'all will probably have to see that on Instagram. But this is her cake dress. So basically, this is going to be the dress. And it says one. I wish the one was black or something like that. Something that you can kind of see better. But it just says one. And it's like a strawberry theme. And it comes with the headband. I'm not even going to put the headband on her because she's going to have her hair done a different type of way. Anyways. But yeah, this is what she's going to wear when we're singing happy birthday to her at her birthday party. And also, too, it will be jumpy houses at her birthday party. So if she want to get in a jumpy house, I change her clothes. But she do have like a princess dress that she will be walking in. Well, she already been birthday party, but I'm going to let her keep the princess dress on for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And then like the last hour of the birthday party, I'll let her change to her little play dress. Why the video is still not uploaded? And like the video is still not uploaded. But yeah, y'all, that's kind of everything that I got going on in my life right now. Like I said, her birthday party. And then really, why do I look washed out? I promise you, I don't know. I'm gonna still upload this video, but y'all know I'm still trying to figure out the settings for the DJI. Simply because I really haven't used it much, to be honest. I was using it a lot when I first got it, and then I kind of just fell off from it. But anyways, that's beside the point. All I was saying was that's been my main focus really lately. This past month of July has been like, you know, party prepping, paying for everything, stuff like that. But I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be her first birthday party. I cannot believe I'm in charge of somebody else's birthday parties for the rest of my life. Y'all, that's crazy. Like, you just always think like, oh, you know, as a child yourself, you just automatically know that your mama or your daddy, they just, you know, they get everything done for you. But like now I am the mom. Like I am the person that's in charge. Like, wow, this is her card box for her cards. Like, wow, like I'd be speechless. Like I still just be in such disbelief. Like, dang, I'm a mama. Like I'm in charge of this. Like this is what I get to do. But y'all, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Comment some questions down below. I might probably do like a Q&A video next. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. I want to just pick up the camera and do a little something with y'all. Let me show y'all Nyla's little play area down here. Basically, this is like her little play area. She be in there, but honestly, y'all, nowadays she be all over the place. Like she be all over the place, walking, crawling, everything. But she do more walking now than anything. This her little caddy, y'all. This little caddy, y'all know I done had this caddy since day one. I definitely need to organize it a little bit. So I guess I probably can do that too. What a top at for this? I don't even know what a top at for this one. Because, you know, she be having stuff everywhere, y'all. I have not been able to find my remote control. I haven't had a remote control to my TV in almost a month, okay? So, this is just like some hair bows when I do her hair down here. Because sometimes I be Girl, them stairs be killing me. I be too lazy to go upstairs and do her hair, so I just do it down here. And then this second row was supposed to be for her shoes, so I could just do her shoes like that. Pair of shoes, load those up sideways, and then I'm going to just put her diapers and wipes right there. And then, oh, these are some more shoes. This baby got more shoes than a little bit, okay? And then up here, I'm going to just kind of put all of her hair stuff, hair products, stuff like that. So I guess you can call that a little bit more organized than what it was just looking like. So that's that. And then these are her headphones that I be bringing to church. Hey y'all, it's Tay. I want to thank today's sponsor. So y'all already know, if I can find something that's cute and on a budget, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So shout out to the brand who sent me this bag. I will have all the information linked on the screen for you all, and we're gonna just get right to it. We're gonna just get into an unboxing. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, just like a regular plain box, and it's also magnetic, which I love. And y'all, oh, y'all already know the brand. And oh yes, this is so pretty. Y'all look at this. Oh my god, y'all, the quality is there. I love it, love it, love it. Y'all know I have a lot of authentic bags. Let me give a smell test. No smell at all. A lot of authentic bags, so I definitely think this one is a good comparison. Oh, and it came with the thick, yes, the thick strap. I love it, love it, love it. So I will have all their information linked down below for you all. I love, love, love the bag. Personally, I like to wear, like, they call them bum bags, but I like to wear my little fanny bags across my chest. So I'm going to just try it on now and show you all. And then, of course, I'm going to give y'all some up-close looks. But this is how I love wearing my bags, just like this. So let me show y'all. So this is exactly, oh, let me put on my house shoes so y'all don't have to see my feet. But yeah, this is exactly how I love wearing my bags, honestly. So this is perfect. Oh my goodness, this is so perfect, y'all. So I'm definitely going to adjust the straps. Let me see. So you can make them, of course, tighter and things like that. So, ooh, yes, I love it. So yeah, if y'all want to get y'all a bum bag like mine, go ahead, and I will have it linked down below for you all. But personally, I think it looks cute just like this, and it has like the zipper. You can like close it up. It's very, very spacious. You can fit your phone, your keys, your wallet in here. This can fit a, like, this can fit a full-size wallet as well, and it also has zipper on the back. Again, I'm going to give y'all all close details as well. But oh yes, y'all, this is my new little everyday bag, okay? My new little everyday bag. Yeah, I'm giving them ones. Super cute. I love it, love it, love it. So this is just another up close of the bag. I feel like she is super cute. She is taking it, honey, okay? Look at the quality of that bag. And y'all already know, I barely do any reps, but this is a good rep, okay? I feel like this is a good one-to-one rep. Let me zoom it in a little closer for you all. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, y'all. Ooh. Yeah, they did their big one with this one. I will have a discount code on the screen for you as well.